Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to view history on AliExpress. This is super helpful if you want to revisit the products you have viewed or orders you have placed. Now let's get started. First of all, open your AliExpress app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now on your main screen or dashboard, you can see account section in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your account. And here you can see history just below my orders. Over here, tap on it. And this will open your browsing history. Here you will find a list of products you have recently viewed. You can also view your purchase history. For that, let's head back to the account section. And here you can see my orders. There are several options under it. Tap on view all. And over here you can see all your previous purchases, including completed, saved and pending orders. If you have placed order of a lot of products, you can also use filters to categorize them by date or order status. And that's how you view your browsing and purchase history on AliExpress. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.